What's up guys, it's Eric here. So a couple months ago, I made a video about all the credit cards that I use. And honestly, it's a lot. Because the thing is, I keep applying for credit cards which I thought would suit my lifestyle the best. And for some reason, I ended up with like 8 credit cards.
Oh, damn. That was a lot.
Like when I started listing out all the credit cards that I use, a part of me thinks, well, maybe I'm going a little bit overboard. I don't know, man. It's just that when I find a new credit card that gives me more cash back, I'm always gonna apply for it if it makes sense financially. Or maybe I have a credit card addiction. I mean, I didn't even reveal my debit cards yet, which will be revealed in this video because in this video, I'm going to reveal all the Canadian bank accounts that I use for checkings and savings. So if you haven't already, please take time to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, and if you find my videos helpful, subscribe. It helps push my videos out there for Canadians in need for personal finance content. And I make financial comedy and shorts. Cause you know, personal finance is kind of boring. So I try to make comedy out of personal finance so people can start thinking about personal finance. Alright, let's start the reveal. Let's start off with the only bank that I use that requires a hefty minimum balance. And that's Scotiabank, specifically their ultimate package account. In order to avoid the $31 a month fee, you need a minimum balance of $6,000 in your checkings account. I mean, with the current interest rates, $31 monthly is basically the same as having $6,000 in your checkings account. Expensive, I know. Then why did I use this account? Well, 2 reasons. First of all, this account waives up to $150 on a Scotiabank credit card. And one of the best credit cards in Canada just so happens to be Scotiabank Visa Infinite Cashback, which is, wait. I don't have it. My wife has my card. I'm so screwed. So yeah, I get this card for free because the annual fee for this card is only $120. Well, I mean, my wife has my card right now, so my credit card statement's probably gonna suck. But jokes aside, this card's not free. Even though they waive your cost of the annual fee for this card, you still have to have a minimum balance of $6,000 in your checkings account, which is expensive. But still, I mean, I use this card quite a lot, so helps a little bit. And plus, I'm still pretty old school at times. I still prefer to have an in-person customer service if I have to. Honestly, I've never had to actually go in and talk to a bank teller, but who knows? Happens. And there's also some random features of the ultimate package, like a free small safety deposit box, like this small.
That's what she said.
Do I have one at the branch? Of course I do. Do I have anything inside the box? Nope. But it's just there because I can. That's right, boss mentality right there. Okay, let's move on. Next, Tangerine, both checking and savings. First of all, it's free. Doesn't hurt to have it. And you technically need their savings account to fully utilize their credit card, which, by the way, is one of the best backup credit cards in Canada. You need their savings account to have 3 categories at 2% cashback instead of 2 categories. Next, Simplii. Technically, Simplii has one of the best cashback credit cards in Canada, the Simplii Cashback Visa. But you don't need Simplii checkings or savings to get it. So why did I get Simplii Financial? Well, because it's free and I can. Alright, you know, the real reason is because at the time, and again, this was like in 2015, there wasn't many budget banking options. It was basically Tangerine or Simplii. And having both Tangerine and Simplii means that if I go to the ATM of Scotiabank and CIBC, I don't have to pay ATM fees. Cause Tangerine is owned by Scotiabank and Simplii is owned by CIBC. And plus, once in a while, Tangerine and Simplii will have promotional rates for their savings account that's usually higher than other savings accounts in Canada. But if you know me and watch my videos, I don't chase promotions. I don't know, I just hate to move money back and forth all the time. Which brings me to my next bank account. And still my favorite bank account that's gotten even better, the EQ Bank. Oops. EQ Bank. With EQ Bank, I essentially don't use Tangerine or Simplii anymore. Although for Tangerine, I still technically have to use their savings account because for their credit card cashback, they deposit it into their savings account. With the EQ Bank card, I can go to any ATM within Canada and get a full refund for the ATM fee, which means I'm not limited to CIBC or Scotiabank ATMs anymore. For more information, check out my EQ Bank card unboxing video. Mr. Lee reviewing and unboxing the yellow card. definitely not racist. Just ignore the lame Asian accent. And plus, they usually have pretty decent savings account interest rates. Currently at like 4%. So not only does EQ Bank allow you to perform everything you need in a checkings account, it's got a decently high interest rate. You can basically withdraw money from all ATMs in Canada for free. And oh, their bank card is pretty sick too. No foreign transaction fees. And it seems like some restaurants that only take debit cards will take this card too. Although technically not a debit card because this is a charge card. So if you're interested in opening up an EQ Bank account, my referral link is down in my Linktree link down below. Use that link to get $20 when you deposit $100 into your bank account. And as you know, in this the economy, free money is always good. And yes, this is an affiliate link, so you'll be helping me too. Okay, 4 bank accounts so far, shouldn't be much more. Okay, next, Wealthsimple Cash. Made a video about it a couple weeks ago. Had some minor complaints, but at the end of the day, you can't argue with that 4% interest rate, which at the time was one of the highest. Of course, competition since then has gone up. Like right now, EQ Bank is offering 4%. But the thing about Wealthsimple Cash is that the more you save and invest with them, the higher interest rates you get with them. So disclaimer, I don't have $500,000 in assets worth Wealthsimple, so I don't get the 5% interest rates. And wait, oh shoot, my star's out of battery. There we go. Alright, let's continue. But I do have over $100,000 in assets, which means 4.5% interest rates. Again, the $100,000 in assets includes stocks, managed accounts, and savings. Wealthsimple Cash insures your money up to $300,000, whereas the other banks insures up to $100,000. So I mean, it's a nice feature, but come on, not many people's gonna have $300,000 in their savings account. I did have some issue with my first deposit to Wealthsimple Cash taking 7 days instead of 5 days, which they claimed it should be. Again, I made a video about this, so check it out. But if you're interested in getting a Wealthsimple Cash account, my promo code down below for $25 when you first fund your Wealthsimple Cash account. Again, affiliate link, so you'll be helping me too. And I think that's it. Oh wait, yeah, PC Money. See, I made a video about it a couple weeks ago not being too impressed with this account, but I came to realize that extra 5,000 optimum points by just paying your bills using PC Money every single month might be worth it for me to give it a try. Hey, I learned from my own videos too. I might have a negative outlook when I first review a product, but when I think through it again, maybe it's not as bad and can still be used in some situations. Like PC Money, not a good primary banking account, but a good secondary account. So as usual, this banking account is free. Did a video about it a couple weeks ago weighing the pros and cons. First of all, low interest rates means that it's a bad primary account. But if you pay bills using PC Money, you get 1,000 optimum points every time you pay more than $50 per bill, up to 5,000 optimum points per month. So essentially what I do now is every time a bill comes up, transfer money to my PC Money and pay there. At the end of the month, 5,000 optimum points, which is like $7.5 Canadian. I mean, yeah, it takes me effort to transfer money to PC Money, but it doesn't take me that much time in the evening to do it. Might as well get free 5,000 optimum points paying bills every single month. So yeah, I think that's actually it. I think there's only 6 bank accounts that I use. I mean, that sounds ridiculous. Only 6 bank accounts? Well, it's better than the 8 credit cards. But hey, it's about maximizing what you could get with these bank accounts. Whether that being maximizing your interest rates, free ATM withdrawals, free money for paying your bills. So yeah, for me, the best way to get the benefits of all 3 of those is to open 6 bank accounts. So yeah, and that's it for today. Which bank accounts do you use? And again, if you have any video ideas, comment down below. I do read the comments and reply to most of them. And that's why Chinese are f***ing idiot and dumb? Oh hell no. You can go f*** yourself. And again, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.